So today we're gonna be unboxing the newest cutting machine on the block, LOKLIK iCraft. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and get this cut open. And you already know, shout out to my good folks over there at LOKLIK, hooking me up. Really excited to learn a new machine and figure this joint out together. So we got that cracked open. Get this box out. Here is what our box is looking like. Here's the front. Here's the back. And it's looking like I got the blue color that they have. I believe they have like 3 different colors. It's looking like I got the blue one. Let's go ahead and get this open, man. Turn it around so I can see it. Alright. And when you first open it up, they got us right with a cutting mat and then the board with LOKLIK's logo. Put that off to the side. Looks like they supplied us with some vinyl. It looks like it might be probably adhesive vinyl. You know, red my favorite color too. Man, they really hooked me up. They didn't even know red was my favorite color. And this, we got this right here. This is probably, let's go ahead and open up. I'm not even gonna guess. And this is looking like the instruction manual. Yep, just basically telling us about the LOKLIK machine. And this card right here, it shows you everything that's included in this box on this side. And then if you flip it all over on the other side, it gives you instructions on how to set up this machine. It's pretty straightforward. As long as you follow it step by step, you'll be able to set it up to your computer, download the app or /software that they have, and we should all be good to go. And then this right here is the user manual. Set that off to the side. Now you already know the part that all of us are waiting for. Hold on, before I get to the machine, we do have the rest of the contents that was included in the box. It actually comes with 4 different blades right here. Pretty dope. So they set you up with the good blades. This is a dual tip marker. We got our power adapter. Then we have like a storage container. I believe it clips like, well, locks in on the side of the LOKLIK machine. They give us a USB cord. It is USB powered. And I also believe that it is Bluetooth. Now we'll go ahead and put this off to the side. Did I miss something? It's okay. And they supplied us with a weeder. I guess that just came out like the side of the LOKLIK. Put that off to the side too. Woo, woo. That's it right there. Let's go ahead and untape this. And I actually love this blue color design. It's actually pretty fire looking. It lifts open manually, so it's not like a mechanized opening. And this actually looks really nice, extremely nice. And we'll go ahead and clip the storage so you get the full picture. You ready for action, huh? We are ready for action. And on this inside, it just says, it's like 2 protective films. It says, please remove the protective film before powering on or the machine will be damaged. So we'll just go ahead and move both of those on each side. And you got one portion right here. It says do not move the tool holder by hand. Keep your hands, head, and hair away from the cutting machine. Pretty self-explanatory though. So boom, this is our LOKLIK cutting machine. So one of the dope things about this machine is the fact that off rip, it supports so many different materials that you can cut using this machine. Of course, you got your regular heat transfer vinyl, then you got thermal transfer paper, adhesive vinyl, cardstock, you have leather, you have fabric. You know, so many different materials you can cut using this iCraft. that basically allows it to be suitable for all your DIY needs. So y'all know those blades that I showed y'all in the beginning, just letting y'all know they don't miss. This LOKLIK iCraft comes with precise tracing less than 0.5 millimeters. What that basically does, it supports delicate cutting. It can cut those small text, the small graphics, you know, them small patterns that sometimes seem so hard to actually get done. You already know this LOKLIK is doing it. Now, one of the great things about this software is the fact that the design material library that comes with this LOKLIK iCraft has more than 18,000 free design patterns and more than 30 fonts that's provided through the software. And of course, you already know that allows your creativity to continue to expand and expand and expand. Now, this LOKLIK iCraft was specifically designed for beginners, for people who may have never used a cutting machine before. It made it to where it's easy to operate. It's easy to use, you know. Even a 5th grader can use it, you know what I'm saying? And of course, once you get a hang of it, once you're able to practice and practice and practice, it's easy to master. One great feature that they included in this LOKLIK iCraft is its ultra quiet design, which makes it easy to use no matter what's going on in your background. It's easy to use to the point where where this machine, while it's cutting, won't disturb the babies, it won't disturb the dogs, it won't disturb your TV watching if you like to watch stuff in the background. It's super quiet and allows for a more peaceful environment. Alright family, thank y'all for tuning in. Yo, y'all gonna wanna make sure that y'all locked in for the next video, the next couple videos I should say. But next video I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to get the machine set up, and we're gonna get our very first cut-in. I'm excited for this machine. I'm excited to see what it can truly do. So yo, you're not gonna wanna miss out on that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and link this machine in my description. So if you wanna do more of a hands-on setup, go ahead and head to my description. I'll be leaving the link for the machine in the description. And I'll also be leaving a discount code, which is Godriven10. That way you can go ahead and cop this machine at a discounted price. But yo family, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this with your friends, your family, anybody you know who's interested in crafting and creating clothes and DIYing, whatever it may be. Share this with your people. But yo, as always, keep applying pressure to life because life has no boundaries. Until next time, we out.